Hi! In this video, we will be going over how to call functions from an uploaded Python file, a module, on a MecSimCalc app. Here, I have made a simple app on MecSimCalc. It allows for x and y input for the Pythagorean theorem calculation, and it allows for radius and height input for calculating the surface area of a cylinder. Now, in the code section, we don't want any math calculations in this section. We would instead like to call functions for these math calculations from a module. So, here is a Python file that contains some basic math calculation functions, external from the MecSimCalc app. The MecSimCalc app will call on these Pythagorean and area of a cylinder functions. In order to do this, we will upload this Python file into the environment of the MecSimCalc app. Note that we will need a premium plan for editing the environment. We will create a new environment and then click on Choose a new file and upload our Python file. Then we will click on Build Environment and wait for the environment to be built. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, so this video will skip to when the environment has been built. Alright, so now we will close this and click on Select Environment. Now, to import that Python module into our app, we will add these lines of code. As our upload Python files now resides in the home directory, that same directory is here being appended to the sys path. We can call the functions from the simple path module and return the result. Let's add the return values to the output and we can test the app out. And as shown, the app is working as expected, successfully calling functions from module. So thanks for watching and happy coding!